Whoa, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy. I am Leroy back at it again. And man, really today I'm just coming out here fixing my car. I got a 1986 Cutlass Supreme, and I've been just basically having an issue where my headlights is flickering. I mean, that mug go up and down the street like at nighttime. That mug go on and off whenever it wants to. So basically, it got a mind of its own. So everybody's saying this switch right here. I took off everything. I know y'all like, what the hell is going on? But basically, I took off all this. This is the dash. This is the screen of the Cutlass. So basically, I had took this off. This is nothing but a frame. And you just take that right on off. That's basically gonna hold up all this. The fucking bolt that's holding. Oh my, I don't know if y'all know it. These screws is real small. Like, look. These is the screws. And the screw size that I found that took it off was a 932. I know y'all probably can't see it right now, but basically this is the little socket that took off the little bolts on it. As you can see, if you put it in I couldn't find it like this. Trust me, I found every bolt I tried to find to try to take this mug off, but I couldn't. But I finally found one, which is a 932. If you have issues, want to take off the whole frame of anything, more likely, only thing I am replacing today, guys, is this, not the thermostat, dang it. It's this brand new guy. Voila. Look. You see how brand new is that thing is? Now look how old mine's are. Look at the switch. Look at everything. It's basically everything gonna be the same. Kind of just like how we gonna take it off, guys. I'm finna reinstall it just like that. This is just a little method. Hopefully it's just got the same thing like a computer chip. Slide that in, take this off. Yup, it look just like it. This is the computer chip. But how you can tell because I see this little brown piece. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on, I'm trying to see. Yeah, it's this. Might be this little part, whatever. Basically, I just got two bolts. I'm finna take that off, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm showing y'all the second part. I don't know if y'all ever see it or not. If not, hey, I'm sorry, because I'm in the way. I found the two bolts. It's basically a 7.5 millimeter that you're gonna take. I'm finna take this and this one off. How y'all probably wondering how the hell I got y'all posted up back there. I got y'all posted up on my headrest. But hopefully y'all see it. But anywho, this is what you're doing. You need to give me a whole new switch. All that need to come on. All that shit dirty. Look like fucking rats been running up there or some shit. I wonder, is this how I can put... Oh, anyway, I ain't worrying about all that. I'll show y'all that on a different day of a different course. Damn. I know y'all wondering, like, what kind of hand tool he's using. This is the hand tool. Dang, where that bolt is? Oh, okay. Got the bolts. Please try to keep up with your bolts, guys. That's one thing. So, let's snide this out for here. Oh, I got a plug back here. Okay. And now I think I took the bolts off. I don't want y'all to see. So I got the bolts off. I'm trying to, yeah, as you can see, it got a little clip on the side of it right there. This little clip. I think that you might have to flip this off or some. How the hell? That looked like something important. So I don't want to mess it up. Oh. Did y'all just see that? Basically lift up both sides. Other thing, like one side and the other side. Cause this the switch. We ain't finna mess with the inside dimmer switch. We only messing with this. We only messing with this. So we took this off, guys. Slide this out. This is what you're gonna be looking at. Boom. And I think the only thing you gotta do right here now, take this off, is just pull it. I don't know if you're supposed to pull it like that, but it came on. Hopefully you can fix that and put that back in there. But I got it off. This is what we're looking for. This is the little clip that the little piece of wire was hanging on. Hopefully I can just slide that back in there and boom. With mine, I don't know, my switch was just like, just mugged in one on. It clicked. It clicked now. I ain't gonna lie on that. It clicked, but it just didn't do the everything else. I know I'm switching y'all everywhere, and I'm just trying to get y'all a good presentation of what I'm saying here. Alright, oh, that's the wrong part. So basically, to take it off, you just lift this, and you're gonna lift this over here, and voila, your switch is out. The new one, same way. Oh, I got it upside down. Gonna make sure we put it right back in there the same way. But this the old one, as you can see, all dirt and corrosion. Look like it haven't get changed since the 30 years it been in there. So now we finally changed that over to this brand new one. This is the new one. Same thing, just the new words. Only thing, guys, we just sliding this one back in. Boom. And that's the end of our job. Hopefully everything else is still working fine and properly. And we're gonna see how this works. Gonna put this back in here and set this up. Oh, okay, guys, this is how it looked once you got it back in there. It looked a little better than what it was. I might have to clean this all off. I know it's dirty and stuff like that. But y'all work with me one day at a time, guys. And we're gonna do it. I know y'all like, what the hell, Leroy? What is you doing this for? And all this and this and this. Oh, I just want to make sure that everything work, you know. I want to make sure everything work before you put it back in there. So, okay. All right, now let me just position you guys back up over there. And we're going to put everything back to normal. I know y'all probably been waiting on for me to drop videos and stuff like that, but just bear with me. Oh shit, okay. This little piece. Oh. Guys, the piece is just slide right back in the cord thing that I was telling y'all. You ain't gotta go find nobody and fix it. Look like it just slide right back into the place that it's pulled out. So we're gonna put that back in there. Gonna put this over here. Put it back in the groove. Back in the groove. Make sure both sides are lined up properly. Alright. 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 Damn, I gotta go get my keys. Let me go get that. I'm gonna go get the keys. Try to get everything set up. I would like to, see if is everything gonna be right before I put everything back. I'm gonna leave most of the time. My headlights work when it's just sitting at a still position. Now it's at nighttime when when them mug decide to want to have a mind of his own. I'm sorry if I'm cussing, guys. I'm working on it. Working on it. God working on it. Alright. Don't tie it down too tight. Just tighten everything back up just how it would. Guys, I'm going to school to be a mechanic. I want to fix on y'all car. Hopefully you have an issue or something. See, I'm all the way in Louisiana. I don't know where y'all at, but I would love to dust off everything before I put it back. This is my main part to my heater, or whatever this is. Fiberglass. I don't know if y'all ever look at y'all headboard, y'all dashboard thing. Just look in the inside of it, just like everything is like crazy. I'm trying to see what is this part. Cause I'm looking, I'm like, that's my AC and stuff. But it's saying that it must have a connector into it. Or something. Yeah, y'all tell me what this is right here. And y'all get back at me. Cause I wanna know what that is. I ain't never seen a switch right here. Unless that's for the air or something. But anywho, let's go ahead and grab this and we're gonna put everything back to how it was, guys. To how it was, guys. Oh, watch it. Watch it. Oh, I got my uncle coming down the street. He a mechanic, certified mechanic. He gonna definitely show us how to do this. You know what? I'm gonna blow this off for y'all. And I'm gonna be right back to show y'all on how everything worked out. But this is how you switch out a relay headlight switch. Hey guys, this is how it's gonna look when you get it back in there. That's the new parking switch light, as you can see. Switch it on. Boom. Off. Yes, sir. Finish it up. If you please like and subscribe. Follow your boy. Might be uploading some more old school 1986 Cutlass work. Need to do work over there. Need to do a lot of work. Work right there. Glove box. So we'll be at you. Follow your boy. I am Leroy on YouTube. Please like and subscribe.